Catholic Archdiocese of Lagos passed a circular on all Catholic churches in Lagos, sanctioning all the Catholics faithful from attending Zion ministry because of a misunderstanding. That was the genesis of the insult. Catholic Church refused to accept their own. You will pass a circular that no Catholic faithful should attend Zion ministry. Hi, my people. I'm not here to waste your time. Rather, I'm here to give you some updates, which most of you don't know. I made a post on my page. People were coming to my DM telling me to delete the post I made on my page. Why will you come on my page and telling me to remove a post I made concerning the Mother Church and Evangelist Ebuka Obi? I want you all to know that the insult Evangelist Ebuka Obi is receiving today started from the Catholic Church. Are you people aware that there was a time they do celebrate Mass in Zion ministry on Sundays before ministration will start? Are you guys aware that there used to be adorations on Wednesdays before ministration starts? Are you aware? Many of you are not aware of all this. What happened? What went wrong? That is what you ask yourself. The insult Evangelist Ebuka Obi is receiving today started from the Catholic Church. If the Catholic Church did not started it 2017, all these things we are seeing now wouldn't have happened. The Catholic Archdiocese of Lagos passed a circular on all Catholic churches in Lagos, sanctioning all the Catholics faithful from attending Zion ministry because of a misunderstanding. That was the genesis of the insult. Catholic Church refused to accept their own. You will pass a circular that no Catholic faithful should attend Zion ministry. That you guys doesn't know the source of power of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Until proven that no Catholic faithful should be attending Zion ministry. That was when all this issue started. And that was when most Reverend Fathers took it upon themselves to start castigating Evangelist Ebuka Obi to be disobedient to the Catholic Church. How is Evangelist Ebuka Obi disobedient to the Catholic Church? He was born, baptized, received Holy Communion in Catholic Church, and was still, Zion ministry was a Catholic ministry, if not later changed to non-denominational. It was the attack received from the Catholic Church that made Zion a non-denominational ministry. For your information, in case you don't know. If not those things that happened then, that give room to what is happening now. If the Catholic Church didn't started attacking Evangelist Ebuka Obi, how would other Pentecostal pastors will come online and be talking about him. It was those attacks on Evangelist Ebuka Obi and Zion Ministry that gave room to Tom, Dick, and Harry coming online, making video, saying all sort of what I don't know against Zion Ministry. Why am I making this video? When tree fall on a tree, first the topmost must be removed. When something happened, there is always a cause and the remote cause of whatever incident that happened. First of all, the Catholic Church have to embrace Evangelist Ebuka Obi as a Catholic faithful. They need to accommodate him. If Catholic Church accommodate Evangelist Ebuka Obi, irrespective of their difference today, all these insults will be silent. It was the attack that gave room to what is happening now. Oh, you tell me, how can a Reverend Father come online and be insulting Evangelist Ebuka Obi, writing chronicle, accusations, and many other false narratives about Evangelist Ebuka Obi against a fellow Catholic faithful? Can a Muslim come out and start writing against a fellow Muslim on social media? A Catholic Reverend sister will come out, have the guts to come out and be writing against Evangelist Ebuka Obi, and people are supporting her. We can remember the days, in the olden days, we have many lay faithfuls that God was working with that are Catholics. How did Evangelist Ebuka Obi become different? While we were growing, we used to attend charismatics. In my parish those days, Reverend sisters attend charismatics. Reverend fathers attend charismatics. They do cashing and binding. They do prayers. People will still fall under anointing. So, what is the difference from what Evangelist Ebuka Obi is doing that is bringing goers? I will call it envy. I will call it envy. A Reverend Father will come out on social media and start telling you that there is nothing like miracle, that there is nothing like prophecy. People will be clapping for him. A Reverend sister will come out on social media and be insulting Evangelist Ebuka Obi, saying all sorts of things. People will be clapping for him. I call those things envy. If you don't have it, you don't have it. You are envious of Evangelist Ebuka Obi and Zion Ministry. Ndi Igbo si onye ji Igbo ka ewu na-eso. Most of you don't have the grace. Then give honor to whom honor is due. For what you give, you get. You people say no. You keep on attacking Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Let's see how it goes. Evangelist Ebuka Obi akadike egwu na nke ikpeazụ a. If you don't agree, we will agree for you. What information am I passing? Catholic Church should make haste, no matter what it will cost, to reconcile, to call for a round table with Evangelist Ebuka Obi and Zion Ministry. The better. The better. Seeing what happened at Ngopala crusade, ending of 100 days fasting and prayer 2024, will tell you that ihe abaka anaghị eji enyo ya. If Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a fake man of God, how will he attract the mammoth crowd that gathered at Ngobala? Why didn't the ending of the crusade end at Lagos? Because Lagos will not accommodate anybody. That was why it was relocated to where that can at least accommodate people. Yet, the place was filled to the brim. That is what is called grace. Then you people that will come online and start saying what you don't know concerning a man of God, a man that God speak to directly, and you come on social media and be castigating him. Woe unto you. Don't fight grace, because you always be disgraced. This is what I have to say. And I'm saying what I know. The earlier Catholic Church embraced Evangelist Ebuka Obi against all odds and settle all their differences. They better for us. We don't know who one can murder. Mary.